Good evening everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy a mobile data in a cheap price. Subscribe your NEPA bill, pay your GoTV, pay your DSTV and whatsoever, buy your recharge card in a full affordable price. You can buy for example an MTN data here 1 gig at rate of 225 naira only. So let's go into the video. So all you need to do, you will find your Play Store app. You find your Play Store app. As you can see that this is my Play Store app here. So when you find your Play Store app, you will enter inside. After you open the Play Store, you go to your searching bar. That is here. After you go there, you will type like this: Select Tech Data, SALECHTECHDATA. Then you click on search bar. After you click on search bar, the app will automatically show you here. Then what you will need to do is to click here on this download button. So you click on download button. So after the app download finish, then you click on open. After you click on open, you will wait for it for just 1 second. It will open. All you need to do is to come here where you see the right create account. So you click on that create account. Then you will now fill in your detail. Let me pull in my detail. Once you fill your detail like this, you click on continue. It will now show you here you fill it. So after you fill the detail like this, you put your state, you select password, repeat the password down, you put 4-pin transaction pin, then you referral code. If you need, you can put my phone number. If you don't need, you can click on register. You will now wait for it to proceed. As you can see, registration successful. Then you click on OK now. After you click on OK, it will bring you here where it will ask you to go to your Gmail and take the 4-digit verification. Then you will now go to your Gmail, that very Gmail that you register with it. You put it while registration. So this is my Gmail. As you can see, this is the message. Then you will now come here, you open the message. After the message on, you will see that they have sent verification. This is a verification code, that is 8054. You will now come out 8054. You will put that 8054 here. Here you put that 8054. So after you put it, you click on proceed. So the code is error. It's like I don't put it correct. 8059. Okay, the code is 8059. Sorry, the mistake is from me. 8059. So after you put it, you click on verify. So the account is now verified successfully, as you can see the account. So if you want to pound it, all you need to do is click on this pound button. So you click there. After you click there, it will show you a list of account. So among this account, you can take anyone you wish. You found it, whatever the amount you wish to transfer, you transfer to the account. Or you can come to here, pay stake. Or you can come to here where they write pay stake, where you can pay with an ATM card. So you can come to here and click pay with Visa or any card. So after you found the account, you will now come back here. So this is where your money will be. This is the account. The account balance is now empty. So if you wish to buy data, all you need to do is click here where they write data. So after you click there where they write data, you will now see select network. You will select network, let's say MTN. Then you will now see select type of data, because they are having 3 type of data. You will like select SME for my purpose. Then you will now select plan. If you can see that here, the 1 gig, as I said, is 225 naira, as I told you. So you will now, let's say you select 1 gig. Then you will now here you put the phone number that you want to send the data to, whether your phone number or any person phone number. So pass it is MTN 07065661846, for example. So you can see here they are showing that you are going to pay 225 naira, as I said. So all you need to do is to click on buy. Then it will say, are you about to purchase MTN data 1 gig SMB for 30 days plan, 225 naira for this phone number? You say yes. You click yes. Then you put there your very thing that you put at the first time. Then you click on continue. So you click on continue. So as you can see, it say that I have insufficient balance due to because I don't have money, I wouldn't pound the account. So this is how you can do it. The same thing if you want to buy airtime. The same thing, whatever network you want to do. So God bless you. Please subscribe and keep it updated for more video like this. Thank you. Goodbye.